My name is Raza Abbas Hedri and I am working here as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University. Today we will discuss the concept of keys in database management system. A column or a set of columns. Column is attributes. Column or set of columns that can uniquely identify the records in a table, in a given table. So column is attributes. So suppose in the employee table, this table here, so definition is what? It is a single column or set of columns. It contains more than one column, so that these values can uniquely identify the records, or we can say tuples, in the given table. So consider this example, employee. So here we can see employee ID. So employee ID. Employee ID. So employee ID, so with the help of employee ID, we can uniquely identify the records. Suppose if I know the employee ID, suppose he is E1003. So with the help of this ID, we can easily find the salary of a particular employee and the name of the particular employee. And these, then suppose हमने लिखा employee ID and name. So if I know that these two values, then we can also easily identify the unique records from this given table. Then employee name, only employee name. So this is not a proper example of super key. Why? Because it is possible that two employees having same name. In this example it is not there, but generally we can say that a employee having same name. There is a more chance कि दो employee का नाम एक हो सकता है. So this is not an example of super key because the definition is uniquely identify the records from the table. तो नेम हो सकता है सेम हो जाए, तो हम अगर से मजहर नाम है तो हो सकता है मजहर नाम के बहुत सारे हों किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, तो मजहर नाम से हम उसको यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते. बट एम्प्लॉय आईडी इज यूनिक, सो वी कैन एम्प्लॉय आईडी कैन वर्क एज ए सुपर की. देन एम्प्लॉय आईडी एंड नेम, these two also can work as a super key because if I know the ID and name, then we can also uniquely identify the record. जैसे हमने कहा कि E001 और मजहर इस नाम की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए हमको, तो उसकी सैलरी क्या है, उसका एड्रेस क्या है, वी कैन राइट सो मेनी कॉलम्स हियर, तो वो हमको यूनिकली मिल जाएगा. देन एम्प्लॉय आईडी, नेम एंड सैलरी. These two also can work as a super key. So this is the definition of super key. Now candidate key. So what is the definition of candidate key? Candidate key definition is same. It is a column or set of columns that can uniquely identify the record, but the difference between candidate key and super key is that it is a minimal super key. Minimal super key. What is the meaning of minimal super key? Just this example. See this example. So here we can see this is also a super key. This is also a super key. This is also a super key. So minimal super key means the super key having less attributes. उसके जैसे employee ID having only one attribute, employee ID and name having two attribute, employee ID, employee name, salary having three attributes. तो इन तीनों एग्जाम्पल में सबसे कम एट्रीब्यूट किसके पास है? एम्प्लॉय आईडी में. सो दिस इज अ कैंडिडेट की एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द की इज नोन एज सुपर की. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कैंडिडेट की एंड सुपर की. तो मिनिमल सुपर की इज अ कैंडिडेट की, मतलब इसका कोई सबसेट ना हो, ये इसकी मीनिंग है. तो जैसे हमने कहा कि अगर से के इज अ सुपर की एंड के डैश is a subset of K such that K dash is also capable enough to uniquely identify the record, then we can say that K dash is a candidate key. Then primary key, what is the meaning of primary key? And one table can have more than one candidate key. So candidate key, then primary key. primary key. Primary key means definition is same, then one of the candidate key can be chosen as a primary key. One of the candidate key can be chosen as a primary key. So, and the some more property of primary key is there, like it cannot be null, cannot be null. And duplicate value not allowed. जो एट्रीब्यूट्स इस प्राइमरी की के अंदर कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं उनकी डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू अलाउ नहीं हो पाती है. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ, एंड वन टेबल कैन हैव ओनली वन प्राइमरी की. Okay, and rest of the keys, so because I told you we have so many candidate keys, one key can be chosen, like this is candidate key, so one candidate key can be chosen as a primary key, then rest of the keys is known as alternate key or secondary key, secondary or alternate key. तो हमारे पास पहले पता है सुपर की, प्राइमरी की, कैंडिडेट की डेफिनेशन सेम है. मिनिमल सुपर की इज नोन एज प्राइमरी की, एंड a table can have more than one candidate key. Any one candidate key can be work as a primary key, and rest of the key is known as what? Secondary key. Then we have one concept, foreign key. Foreign key can be repeated, and there is only one primary key in one table, but in one table we have more than one foreign key. Now in the next lecture we will study how to find candidate key from a given table, and I told you there are more than one candidate key. Then we can see how many candidate keys are possible in a given table. Now this is all about the concept of keys. Thank you so much.